So let's take a look at how you can check out broken links in your WordPress setup, or let's say WordPress blog, by simply using broken link checker. Okay, so here you see broken link checker from Manage WP. We are going to download this plugin and check for broken links. So go to your plugins, then add new, and in search tab simply type in broken link checker. Okay, then we will take a look at the plugin and simply click on activate, because I already have it installed but disabled. So I'm gonna activate that, and the menu for that plugin will be available in settings and then link checker. Okay, so let's check the link checker options. Here you see you can check each link every 200 hours. You can detect broken links or any other broken URLs which are in draft as well. Okay, after that you can also notify yourself if you see this any link that are broken or anything broken for specific author. They can get the email too. Okay, so you have to check this box for that. Then there are link tweaks here, so just in case if you find any broken link, how to display them. You can edit CSS for that, and you can highlight them as broken. Okay, similarly you can also suggest alternatives to broken links if you can. And then there are also warning messages that may show there are issues with the link instead of saying it is broken. And you can check where to look for links, like on your blogs, then comments, CSS, or any other specific fields listed here. Similarly, you can also check for broken links in post, scheduled post, draft, and pending and private posts as well. Now, which links to check? You can check for HTML links, plain text, YouTube videos, and any other specific videos or links where you may see the difference with HTTPS v. Okay, and you can exclude some of the URLs so that they won't be checked. Then you have your specific HTTP APIs to check for YouTube, Mediafire, and RapidShare. Apart from that, you can also time out for checking certain seconds within that page, or move and mark that as broken. Okay, so these are some of the typical settings you can check and save changes accordingly. Simply save changes, and you will be notified when there are any specific broken links. Currently there are only 2 URLs which you can see in official site. Let me show you this. Okay, so let's wait for page to appear. Here you see there is one link here, one link below here. So these 2 links which are currently clickable and may or may not redirect to real site, but those links are valid and not broken. So you get the idea how to check for broken links with broken link checker.